Glory to Ukraine, glory to the heroes, glory to the nation, and death to the enemies. Help Ukraine, support Ukraine, stand with Ukraine, because if Ukraine fall, you can be next victim of the Russian aggression. Glory to Ukraine. Greetings, my friends. We are in the old house, in an old boiler house in this house, and we had a very old heating system. Very interesting system, because this system can run using the difference between density of hot and cold water, and it can run without any circulating pump if it is no light. We have gas boiler, electric boiler, and we were asked to add this boiler for a solid fuel to this system. But we have some problems. Maximum pressure that can take this boiler is 1.8 bar. This system runs on 2 bars and higher. I'll try to see. It's approximately 2 bars. And I've decided to divide these two systems with help of this heat exchanger. I didn't find that type that I needed, but if you can find a good turner and welder, you can do everything. So I've bought this heat exchanger for swimming pool. Its productivity is about 30 kilowatts, because 30 kilowatts we have the power output of this solid boiler. So what we did, we add this heat exchanger, and when this boiler warms up, the internal circulating pump, it's late, I'm tired, sorry, provides circulation to this exchanger, goes down again to the boiler, warms up and returns again. But what is the most interesting? I think not this boiler, but the most interesting thing is this old gas boiler. Why? I'm gonna show you. We have a little Frankenstein inside, because I've used this brain from Chinese gas boiler to run this Ukrainian gas boiler, and I'll tell you why. Because if we don't have a power supply, for example, this boiler now can run on batteries when the lights and the power supply is off totally. If power supply is okay, like now, this is for power supply, and this relay is for this circulating pump. This boiler runs on the internal AC-DC power converter from 220 volts to 4 volts to run this boiler. And if all batteries are dead, there is no light at all, but it's cold in the house and we need some warm up, then we must go down in the basement and we can light up this boiler manually. We must push this button. This button, where is? Open the gas valve to the pilot and ignites it with this spark plug, just like almost in the car. I don't know will we see it, but I'll try to fire up it manually with one hand. Push this button. No, I didn't do that. No. Oh, yeah. So I must hold this button for 15 seconds because we have a thermal couple. The thermal couple begins generate electricity, and yeah, the gas boiler is running without any external power supply. So voila, it's working. Very good. Okay, I just switched this off, and we can warm this whole building because it is 3 floors up there, with electric boiler, with gas boiler, with 3 modes of working, and with this solid fuel boiler. The most interesting thing that we have Wi-Fi modules here, and we can run these boilers using our application. We can fit schedule, temperature, whatever we want, and how it works very quickly. If this circulating pump is not working because the CPU of this boiler switch this pump off, I will just unplug, and we are watching on this relay. See, one relay, and if the pump is running, yeah, the second relay is on. If this relay is on, electric boiler and gas boiler are not working till all fuel, all wood, coal, whatever, will not burn down, and the circulating pump will not working till that time this gas boiler and electric boiler will rest. Sorry if it was boring, maybe not interesting, but the main idea that we did here is done. It's working really very, very properly, very quiet. 3 different modes of working for this huge piece of metal that should be somewhere in the junkyard, but we resurrected that, and it's really good, it's really working. It's good, it's really good. I'm very glad. It's late now, and I'm happy that me and Mr. Andrew, we did it. Good night. Almost forgot to show you, very interesting thing that we have here. The exhaust gas catcher. When we open the door, we have a switch here. Look how it's burning inside. This switcher activates the fan, and this fan sucks all the smoke that can come out, and we prevent unpleasant smell in the house.